Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can do layering on Dress to Impress or how you can layer outfits. So this helps you to create stylish layered looks that work in a game's outfit editor. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will just basically choose from these outfits right here, and you have to make sure that your outfits are simple and you could actually just do literally anything that you want. So, uh, okay, for example, we want this. So just you know, just take as much as you can actually, and for your tops, just grab as much as you can as well, and then you can just test it all out, what matches and what does not. So just take anything and then just visualize it in your in your head on what really looks good. So for example, this tops right here looks good together. So my advice is that just take as much as clothes as you can, and then what you will have to do is just fix it on your wardrobe. So for example, now it's easier for you to actually visualize what matches together. So for example, uh you'll remove this because it really looks bad on your current outfit, I guess. And then you'll remove this as well because it's too long and does not really matches your top. And you'll remove this as well because it has layers already. And so you'll just have to click X again. And now you have your final outfit, which is these two. So by the way, this is just an example and a personal preference. So it's really still up to you, and you can just free play as much as you want. You can just grab as much as you can, and you'll just fix it here on your wardrobe. And yeah, though, that's just my advice, and that's just a tip that you could actually do. And yeah, that's basically it, and I hope this video helped. And if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.